In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create gradient text inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. So inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, we're first just going to begin by creating some new text. So I'm just going to go down to the T icon down here, which is the type tool. Select in our sequence, and we'll just type out a word or a phrase of your choice. I'm just going to go with Brooker. It's my last name, self-explanatory. Then we'll go into the effect controls window, go into text, and you want to change the text. So I'm going to change mine to my branding font, which is Dethrone. And as you can see, it's quite a small font. So I'm just going to increase the scale down here. Now, feel free to adjust all of these settings. Feel free to go through all of these. So in here, you've got the font here, you've got the weight of the font, you've got a faux bold italic, all caps, you've got your font size here, you've got left, center or right align, you've got the top align, middle align, or the bottom align here. Essentially, it's just where is it going to sit? Is it going to align at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Then here you've got the spacing or kerning, as you may know it in other programs. And some other settings here that we can play with. We've got the line height. Then we've got fill color, stroke color, background, shadow. Don't worry about these for now because we're going to add an effect later on. Now, mine hasn't aligned very well, so I'm just going to turn on the safe margins, and I'm just going to pull this in to the center. So I'm just going to use this marker here just to pull this into the middle, and then set this back to 1920. There you go. And that's in the center, ready to go. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and animate your texts and do what you need to do with it before we add the color. So now that you've perfected your text, you've put it into its position, you've animated it, and you're happy with it, now we can go ahead and add the gradient effects. So I'm going to right click the footage or the text layer. We'll go to nest. We can call this something if we wanted to, but you could just leave it as the default setting. Now in effects, we're going to search for 4-color, and it should pop up as soon as you put 4 and dash. We'll drag that onto our nested sequence, and there you go. We have gradient text. But let's animate this. So let's go to the beginning. You can see that's going to animate in here. We'll go to point 1, which is up here. We're going to move this closer into the text. We'll move all of these points in, just so we've got that really rich color there. And now we can go through our colors. So I'm going to go for a nice blue gradient to begin with. So I'm just going to select a rich blue for the top left. Next one down will be more of a lighter blue. Next one down from there, we'll keep it more of a purpley sort of blue just to add that contrast. And then this one can be more of a black just to add that contrast. Then we're going to increase the blend. And as you can see, we've got this really nice gradient text. So from here, we're just going to go back to the beginning, create a new keyframe on all of these points like this. Then we'll zoom into the timeline. We'll go 2 seconds to the right, and we're going to change the points. So if I click on the 4-color gradient option up here, just going to move all of these around. So they're just going to go to different points. And I'm going to change the color of these as well. So we're going to shift this to a red. So same principles again. You want to make sure that you're moving to a different color, but different variations of that color. So we've got darks and lights and maybe a slightly warmer or a cooler alternative, just so we can add that gradient. And then as you can see, if we play back from the beginning, we've got our gradient animation now complete. So we just need to highlight all of those keyframes. We're going to go Command C on Mac or Control C on Windows, move over to the 4-second mark roughly, and we'll paste, which is Command V or Control V. Then we'll copy all of those. We'll go to the next 2-second marker and we'll just paste, and we'll keep repeating over and over again until we've got this just animating around. And when we play this back, you can see we've got this really awesome gradient animation now happening in Adobe Premiere Pro. So thank you ever so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate your support. Please do not forget to subscribe, and hopefully I will see you on a future video. See you there.